I wanted to see what it would be like to consume one meal today and have other supporting features like fresh pressed juices, water to hydrate, and of course fresh fruit. And this is how it went. So of course we're starting today off with a nice tall glass of water to hydrate. I always tell people you need to make sure that you hydrate first thing in the rising. You were asleep most likely for 7 to 9 hours. You need to make sure you hydrate your body, alright? Next, I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with some tea, some herbal tea, some bush tea, whatever you wanna call it. We are using some fennel seeds, some peppermint, and some other amazing herbs that are so awesome for the female reproductive system. We're also going to throw in some fresh ginger, chop it up, and of course put the water in there. I love starting my day off with tea or broth. It really helps to ease into my system. I try not to consume cold water at all. Even when I go to restaurants, I will ask for water, no ice, please and thanks, okay? This is such an amazing way to start off my day. I love it.
Welcome to civilization. Civilized mind. Welcome to civilization. Civilized mind.
Next up, we're gonna be making some absolutely delicious watermelon juice. This watermelon was so tasty, and I just had some leftovers in the fridge, so I went ahead and paired this with 2 apples, some sage, and a little bit of lemon. I'm actually using the peel from the lemon earlier today from when I squeezed lemon juice into my tea. This was so easy, and it's a very easy and low waste recipe. I did not want to throw away the lemon peel. I was so happy to be able to repurpose it because I felt like there's still a little bit of juice left. And this watermelon was like kind of mushy and stuff, so I'm happy that I was able to make it into juice, and it was a banger in my household. People loved it. It was so delicious and tasty. And I want to thank Coovings for sponsoring today's video. This juicer, the Auto 10 Plus, is my all-time favorite juicer ever. It's so incredible, and you're gonna see me making another juice without even having to clean anything up afterwards. I'm able to do so much batch juicing and just so much regular juicing with the Coovings Auto 10 Plus. Any juicer that comes from Coovings, to be honest, their warranties last over 10 years and they make high quality products. And what I love about the Coovings Auto 10 Plus juicer in particular is that it has a stainless steel blade that chops up your fruit, and also it separates your apple seeds into the pulp, so you don't have to worry about coring your apple or taking all the seeds out of your apple, because it does that for you. If you're interested, you can use my code ITALEATS and the link in the description box. For my second juice, I went ahead and made an iron beet juice, and it's very easy to make, and it's actually quite sweet on its own without adding any fruit, so that was kind of surprising.
Welcome to civilization. Civilized mind. Civilized mind. Welcome to civilization. Welcome to civilization.
For lunch today, I'm gonna go ahead and make a whole entire block of jerk tofu. You can use whatever type of tofu you wish. You can use fava bean tofu, which is typically what I use. I love fava bean tofu because it typically has more protein than regular soy tofu. You can use soy tofu, you can use chickpea tofu, whatever you want. Go ahead and use it. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of flour and some seasoning on it, coat it with some oil and put it in the air fryer. So this is gonna give me around like 60 grams of protein. So this is already a very good amount of protein that I'm getting in from this one meal. And I'm also gonna be serving this alongside some quinoa. So I'm getting so many of my nutrients in from this one meal. So if you are gonna try to do one meal a day, you wanna make sure that you're eating and consuming a very high protein, very high nutrient dense dish. Okay, so things like quinoa is one of the only plant-based sources of a complete protein, right? And so I'm consuming about 10 grams of protein from this quinoa and about 55 grams of protein from my tofu block. So that's a lot of protein and a lot of nutrients that I'm consuming in one go. Once my tofu is done, it's nice and crispy. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in and put in some jerk paste, a little ketchup and a little barbecue sauce and toss that in. So my food is nice and seasoned and delicious. I also went ahead and seasoned my quinoa. I put in some nutritional yeast and stuff like that in there, and it was super tasty. So as you could see from the title of the video, this is in fact a one meal a day, but I do not really consider a fruit salad a meal. So I'm going to go ahead and end off my day with a little fruit salad. This is going to be packed with vitamin C. And if you're a person that likes to take iron supplements, you can go ahead and consume your iron with high amount of vitamin C, like kiwi, like oranges, like lemon. Stuff like that is an amazing time to go ahead and consume your iron supplements. Or you can also just consume food that's high in iron, like tofu, like spinach, like kale.
Welcome to civilization. Civilized life.
Alright, party people, that was my what I eat in a day, one meal in a day, and honestly I felt really great. And this is perfect for people who are on a cut or who want to lose weight, or just perfect for people who like to fast. I feel like eating 3 times a day is not only a scam, but it's also extremely expensive, and stuff like that's really only promoted in the United States. I think it's important to eat when you are hungry. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I would love to know if you all would try this. I love you all so much. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!
Welcome to civilization.